What's up guys, Simon here and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video we're going to test copy trading bots. I know it's been some time since my last video, and during that time I have gotten a lot of DMs from you guys asking me, hey Simon, is copy trading still good? Is it still meta? Should I still use TradeWiz or should I use a different bot? Is there a new bot or new way of copy trading? How can I find good wallets? Like, the old ways of finding wallets isn't really good now. All of these streamers are multi-walleting now. All these wallets from Coalscan are just farming the copy traders. So I decided to make a new copy trading series. I have made videos on copy trading before, but they're kind of outdated. You see, like this video here, for example, 8 months old. This video here, over a year old. The market has drastically changed since then. Like, the volume right now is much lower. Rugs and farms look more legit, and it's like really hard to know what will go. So why not just leave all of the work, the hard work and the knowledge to guys that actually know what they're doing? So we're just gonna copy them. So I'm gonna show you guys everything you need to know to make money copying others. Today's video is going to be part 1. And in today's video we're going to take a look on which bot is actually the fastest. So the last time I've made a video on copy trading, TradeWiz was the fastest, and to be honest, they're still kind of bragging about it on their Twitter that they're still the fastest bot. But today we will check if that is true, because today we will manually check which one is the fastest trading bot. So I have 3 bots right here. Firstly, we have TradeWiz, so we need to test if that's true what they're saying. Secondly, we have Sol Trading Bot, and thirdly, we have Trojan. So these are the most popular bots right now. Obviously, TradeWiz was always kind of like known for its copy trading speed. Sol Trading Bot was always known to be like the fastest sniper, but a lot of people also use it for copy trading. And Trojan is like the all-in-one trading bot on Telegram, and a lot of people are still using Trojan just to copy trade. So in today's video, we're going to test all 3 of them and see which one is actually the fastest. How are we going to do this? I'm going to place a trade manually from one wallet, and we will copy this wallet with all of these 3 bots with the exact same settings and the exact same amounts. And then we're manually going to check the transaction, which one actually came through first and which one second, which one third. I will do this 3 times so we see which one is actually the fastest, because if we just do it once or twice, maybe, you know, one bot gets lucky or we just don't really see it. But if we do it 3 times, we can kind of get like an average, which one comes first, second and third. So let's get right into testing. Okay, now I set everything up, and this is the setup we're running. I have one wallet in the background where I'm going to take a trade on Axiom, and then we have all of the 3 bots set up with different wallets that are gonna copy the Axiom wallet. Obviously we're gonna have the same settings and fees and everything, as you can see. Everything I'm going to buy with 0.1 Sol, and we're also going to copy with 0.1 Sol on all 3 bots. The slippage is everywhere set up for 30%, and the tip is going to be 0.001 Solana on all of these 3 bots. As you can see here, buy tip, sell tip, 30% slippage, tip 0.001. Slippage 30% here, buy, sell gas, and slippage 30%. All right, so let's get right into starting. So we're going to buy 0.1 Sol. We're going to buy, boom, 3 buys with 0.1, and then we are going to sell everything again. Sell, boom. Alright, so now we're going to see. Okay, we are going to look for the main wallet. I've also made a list here with all of the wallets, as you can see. First, we need to look though for the main wallet, which is J8. Okay, this is the J8 wallet. We bought in with this one right here. Second was 4Q, which is TradeWiz. So TradeWiz was the fastest now. Then it was GN, and then it was 4R. So Trojan came second and Sol Trading came in 3rd place. And then for the sell, J8, then again 4Q, TradeWiz first. Then somebody came into between us. Ew, that's not good. Then GN, Trojan, and Sol Trading again last. Okay, so we can see TradeWiz was first for the buy and the sell. Sol Trading was for buy and sell 3rd, and Trojan was for both 2nd. Even though that's a bummer. You see here, my first sell with the main wallet, then TradeWiz, and then somebody snuck in between us. It was a smaller sell, but obviously it meant that these wallets were losing. Onto the second coin, we're now going to take a different one. Now we did one coin on Pump. I think it's going to be good if we do now one coin on Bonk and then one coin on Heaven, which are now currently the 3 biggest launch pads, even though most volume is actually on Pump. We will just buy useless on Bonk. Same thing again, buy 0.1, buy, boom, and then again sell 100%, boom, and then again we can, oh, there was one that came in a bit later, same thing again here, and then we look at the transactions. So first was J8, then secondly was 4Q again, here's a list. Trade was 4Q, Solo Trading 4R, and Trojan is GN. Our trade, then TradeWiz, then it was Trojan again, and then Solo Trading third. For the sell, J8, 4Q, 4R, and GN. Okay, so for the buy, it was the same order as last time. TradeWiz was first, Trojan was second, and Solo Trading was third. But then actually for the sell, TradeWiz was again first, but then Solo Trading was faster than Trojan. Trojan was last for this sell. Interesting. So now we can already see, okay, TradeWiz is probably still, it is still the fastest. And now thirdly, we're gonna buy a coin on Heaven. Why not get this? All right, it doesn't really matter. We just need any coin on Heaven. Same thing again. We buy a 0.1. Boom. We see all the transactions went through, and then we are going to sell. Again, one was quite slow. What was that? Oh my days. Okay, we see here, because it's Heaven, it's looking kind of weird. Our first buy, which is the J8 wallet. Then the second that came in was again 4Q. All right. Then the second, Trojan again on second place. And then last one again, 4R, which is Solo Trading bot. Sell was first, obviously our main wallet, J8. Then the second sell was, okay, 4Q, again TradeWiz, and then Trojan again. And lastly, again, Solo Trading bot. All right, here again, the wallets, as we can see now, we took 3 trades. In all of these trades, buy and sell, TradeWiz was always the first. So it was 6 transactions together. TradeWiz was always first, buy and sell. It was Trojan was second and Solo Trading was third. So I think you can kind of see what you should be using. TradeWiz is still the fastest in terms of copy trading. So if you still want to use a copy trading bot and you're wondering which bot to use, it's probably going to be TradeWiz. So that was already a video, just really quick, really fast. As you can see, TradeWiz is still the fastest copy trading bot on the market. If you want to use TradeWiz, I'm going to put a link in the description where you can get 10% off your fees. Yeah, I hope you like this video. As I said before, this is part 1 of the new series. Next video is going to be how to actually find good wallets to copy trade with a really cool feature. Stay tuned for that, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.